The 5 Steps to Success as a Motivated For Sale by Owner. Hello, it's Mike LaFave with FSBO Sherpa. Maybe you're thinking about selling your home this year. Maybe you're thinking about selling your home yourself without a real estate agent to save thousands in commissions and retain more of that hard-earned equity. Selling your home on your own without an agent can seem like a very complex and overwhelming project. But it doesn't have to be. At FSBO Sherpa, we guide motivated, do-it-yourself homeowners through the for sale by owner process, helping them retain more of that hard-earned equity by saving thousands in real estate commissions. Now, we've simplified the whole process and broken it down into 5 steps. And within those 5 steps, we will provide you with all the tools, knowledge, and materials you need to be successful. Curious about what the 5 steps are? Click the link below, click the link in our bio, or just visit our website, FSBOSherpa.com. There you'll find out what these 5 steps to success as a for sale by owner are. And if you are thinking about selling your home this spring, step 1 of those 5 steps starts now, so you need to get after it. So head on over to the website, read all about the 5 steps to success as a for sale by owner. And after reading that, if you feel that FSBO is something that you want to roll up your sleeves and put the work into this year, we would love to help you save a bunch of money on the sale of your home. Thanks so much. Have a great day.